Hey guys, when we moved out here, I did all my own landscaping. So I came up with a little trick to planting trees shortly after I lost my auger. And it looks like this. If you can't bury your tree, build around your tree. So that mulch right there that you see in that little tree, that was actually, it came with this, that big ball in the burlap sack wrapped around it, that with the roots and stuff. I never buried those in the ground. We brought in dirt and put the dirt around that ball and then just added mulch. Notice how it builds a tree up. That's probably 2.5 feet off the ground. And that stops. It's so steep along the edges, which I don't think you can tell on camera, but it's so steep along these edges. Our dog, when it tries to climb up here, usually just slips right back down. Same with kids. It keeps them off the mulch, just given the pitch. So that's my tip for the day. Build your trees up high on that mulch. It gives you that extra privacy. You don't have to wait for a year or two for that tree to actually grow that high. Just plant it on top of the ground, pack the dirt around it, add mulch, and there's a number of benefits over the traditional way of actually burying the tree using an expensive auger.